Welcome back for my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec, on Friday the 25th of September. Looking at cable, and it's interesting because we saw in the daily report that, well, we talked about the fact that rallies are still a chance to sell, I think, on cable. Sterling dollar was ticking higher when around about the time that we wrote it, but then we sort of talked about this downtrend, and we talked about the overhead supply and the resistance and the momentum indicators that were all negatively configured on the daily. And I still think that there is further downside pressure that we're going to see on 2650. Seems as though that this little rally ticking higher today has rolled over in the last hour or so. And that's interesting because, again, you're seeing little rallies being sold into. Configuration on momentum on the hourly, pretty negative, failing around the 60 mark again, falling over, MACD lines faltering around that neutral point, stochastics decisively coming lower again. So I think that it's going to renew the pressure to the downside. I'd be sort of looking at 27.05 initially as the test, I suppose. Now 26.70 was at Wednesday's low. And I think that's likely to come under pressure with the 26.50 mark. And it would be at that point at which we see what the bulls are really made of in this cable chart. Whether 26.50 are these old breakout levels from spring, early summer. And having broken above that, that becomes a basis of support now. And if those levels start to breach to the downside, you can see the market turning corrective, and you'd say 24.80, 2250 would be coming under pressure. But looking at these momentum indicators, it certainly looks as though a more corrective configuration has taken hold. This downtrend really does seem to be building now as a basis of resistance. 28.23 today, 28.05 was the early high. And yeah, I think any near-term rallies are still going to be seen as a selling opportunity to test that 26.50 level. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website to sign up for our webinars and click to watch Trader Talks, our videos that give you top trading ideas.